Hello, I thought it'd be helpful to communicate some things that I learned from yesterday. Yesterday was it's actually today that I'm making this video. You'll see it on the second day of online classes, but that first day of online classes, I got a bunch of questions that I can help clarify right now. When you're using the Nearpod lesson, the idea is for you to do the problems on your own first. If you can't, then you skip to the next slide and start to understand how to do them. Then it's okay to go back to the earlier slide and try them on your own. Anything that you work out on the screen will save. In other words, if you go back into that Nearpod lesson and put your name, all of your notes will be saved there. It's the pen function on that Nearpod. It works well with some input devices, not so well with others. If it's not working for you, don't let it slow you down. You also have a couple other options. You can just work directly from the screen onto scratch paper, or you can always print the PDF with the notes and work on that like we normally do. Just understand that your notes are meant for you. You don't have to send anything to me. You don't have to click submit on anything. Your notes are just to help you understand what you learned that day and to help you with the assignment and to help you study for tests. So keep your notes and use them for yourself. As far as the learning opportunities, computation goes, other assignments that are graded, you'll grade them. You experienced that yesterday, and then you'll report the grade to me. I would love to get the assignment, but for you to be scanning assignments back and forth with me, that's just going to take forever. We're not going to do that. You're going to grade it on the Nearpod slides like you did yesterday. You're going to report -1 or -3 or -0, whatever you got on it, just like we normally would. And then the part we would be missing would be me looking over it and giving you my feedback. But after we grade it, you saw yesterday that I go over every single homework problem. So if you had trouble, use that resource to understand the ones you missed. That's the feedback that you would normally get. It's actually better than what you would normally get because every single problem is right there. So you can try to understand it after you've tried to work through it on your own. Let's say there was a really hard assignment and you were really upset with your grade. You got a really low grade. Just send me the grade and don't worry about the grade, because here's what we can do. We're not going to do corrections like we normally would because we're not going to be scanning things back and forth, but you can correct any assignment. So just go back, rework the problems, send me the updated grade. You had -4 on an assignment, and then you tell me, you send me a message saying, okay, on Learning Opportunity 6.11, I went back over the problems. I got them right. I understand how to do them now, and I'll update. I'll put in the corrected grade. Let's see what else. I talked about notes. Just keep. Oh, this is very important. Many of you reported your grade for Learning Opportunity 6.11, 6.11 that you graded on the Nearpod yesterday. Quite a few of you didn't. If you don't send me the grade, it's like a missing grade. So you need to send me those grades. Don't fall behind. This is going to be hard enough. It's going to get very confusing if you fall behind on grades. So send it to me when it's due. As soon as you send it to me, I enter it in the grade book. Now, grades are not viewable by you at this exact moment, I don't believe, because teachers are entering comments for quarter 3. As soon as Mr. Toth opens the grade book back up, you'll be able to see your grades. If you see a missing grade for something that you sent me a grade on, maybe I made a mistake, so relax, just let me know. I'm saving every bit of communication back and forth from us into your email folder, so I'll know. But if I made a mistake, just let me know. If you made a mistake, just fix it. Send me the grade. Go back to the date it was due. Watch that Nearpod lesson, grade it, and send me the grade. Other than that, I didn't sense a lot of distress from my 5th and 6th period classes, unlike my other classes. So I felt like it started off pretty well. Just keep communicating like you've been. Use the discussion boards. Read other people's comments on the discussion boards. Maybe they've asked a question that will, and I've been able to reply, and that will answer your question. And ask good questions yourself and make them public so other people can benefit from the responses. If you don't like communicating your score on an assignment to me publicly, then you can mark the message private or you can email me. And just do me a favor, anything that's not working well or that you're confused about or you're concerned or stressed out about, just make a comment or email me so I can help. I can't know if you don't tell me. So I think we're on the right track. And go back to the email I sent you, read the rest of the email, and do today's lesson. I'll hear from you later today. Thank you.